Hands-free power rear door. The NX features an available power rear door with a kick sensor, which provides a hands-free way to open the door. With the kick sensor turned on in the settings of the multi-information display, you can open the rear door with a kick of your foot. To operate the hands-free power rear door on the NX, be sure to have the key with you. While at the rear of the vehicle, perform a quick kick motion under the middle of the bumper. It's important to note that the sensor recognizes the pull-back movement of your foot, and this triggers the power rear door to operate. Similarly, you can also close the power rear door with a kick of your foot. Again, it's when you pull your foot back that the door will activate. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resources tab. Then, search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference the Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.